나는 PABO입니다. What does it mean? If you would notice, the word in red letter is PABO입니다. Because today, on One Korean Word a Day, we're going to study about the word PABO. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 163. PABO. PABO. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is pa, the second syllable is bo. Pronounce it with me. PABO. PABO. The Korean word PABO or PABO is an adjective which means dumb or stupid. Just a reminder, be careful on using this word. Because as mentioned, this is a negative adjective, which is used to describe someone negatively. I just included this on our Word for Today series because I want everyone to be aware of this word. And this is actually one among the most common words that you would hear from K-dramas. Again, PABO or PABO is an adjective which means to be dumb or stupid. Please don't use this to people that are not so close to you. And of course, don't use this to describe people that do not deserve to be called PABO or dumped. Anyway, knowing this word would be useful to K-drama fans since this is one common phrase mentioned on a K-drama. So, when you hear a character say PABO, you already know what it means. Just so that we'll be able to recognize this word, let's see how it is written in Hangul. The first syllable pa will be written in Hangul by drawing first a beep character followed by an a character. For the second syllable bo, we need to draw first another beep character followed by an o character. And then we just have to combine the Hangul for each of these syllables to form the Hangul of the word PABO. Now that we have an idea about the meaning of the word PABO, let's try to look into this example English sentence. It says, I am a fool. The Korean translation of this sentence is 나는 바보입니다. Again, it's 나는 바보입니다. The first part of the sentence is 나는. Na means I, and 는 is a subject particle added to na. The second part of the sentence is 바보입니다. 바보 means to be fool or dumb, while 입니다 is used to declare that it is. So, if we combine these three parts into one, it would result to a sentence that means, I am a fool. So, looking back to this, which is shown at the start of the video, we already know by now that the meaning of the sentence, 나는 바보입니다, is simply, I am a fool. And with that, you've just learned PABO. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 153 to 162. But don't forget our word for today, word number 163, PABO, which means dumb. Word number 162 is 별, and this is the Korean noun for star. Word number 161 is 약속, and this is the Korean noun for promise. Word number 160 is 영원히. This is an adverb of time, which means forever. Word number 159 is Hajima, which means but, and this is used as a conjunction. Word number 158 is 그리고, which means and or and then, which is used as conjunction. Word number 157 is 맞아요, which means that's right. Word number 156 is nun, and this is the Korean noun for eye or eyes. Word number 155 is 안 좋아요, and this is used to say I don't like it or it's not good. Word number 154 is 좋아요, and this is used to say I like it or it's good. And the last for our review is word number 153, 몰라요, and this is used to say I don't know. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time out here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.